How to log in to Gmail on PC. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in mail.google.com. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Gmail. If you're using the Google Chrome, you'll not have to additionally log in to your Gmail account. You'll directly be logged into your Gmail account according to the Google account that you're logged into. For other browsers, click on the option Sign In. You'll be redirected to the new interface. Click on the field of email or phone. Enter the email of the Gmail account that you would like to be logged into. If you have forgotten the email, click on the option Forgot Email. Follow through the instructions and you'll be able to recover it. Click on the option Next that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password over here. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option Forget Password and you'll be able to reset it. Click on the option Next once you enter your password. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. Like this, you can log into Gmail on PC. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.